Let us continue from the sixth question. So now we have the sixth question, which says uh, the remainder of ax plus b whole to the power 4 when divided by x minus 2 is 16. So the remainder is 16, and when it is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 81. So the same way how we did the previous fourth question, we have to do the same way. So take x equal to 2 and substitute in place of x. So you have a into 2 plus b whole to the power 4 is equal to 16. Okay, so 2a plus b power 4 is 16. So 2a plus b will be fourth root of 16. So now fourth root of 16 are 2 minus 2, 2i and minus 2i. So we'll not use the negative complex numbers. So we'll only use these two. So 2a plus b is equal to 2, or 2a plus b equals to minus 2. Then second equation, take x second part, they say that x equal to minus 1. So a into minus 1 plus b whole to the power 4 is equal to 81. So now you get minus a plus b is equal to fourth root of 81, which is plus 3 or minus 3. So let's take these two. So change the signs. So you get minus 3a is equal to 1, or a is equal to 1 over minus 3. So take this and put it in the b in the first in this equation. So minus of minus 1 by 3 plus b equals 3. So b is equal to, this entire thing on the other side is again 3 minus 1 by 3. So b is equal to 8 divided by 3. So one possible answer is 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 comma 8 by 3. Then if we use these two, a plus b equals minus 2. So change the signs, minus and plus. So this gets cancelled. Again minus 3a is equal to minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So b you get it to be minus 8 by 3. So in this case you have plus 1 by 3 comma 8 by 3. So if you use interchange these two and use them, that is something like this, minus a plus b. Earlier we took it as plus 3, we'll take here minus 3, and this equation from here, 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. So in this case change the signs, this gets cancelled. So you have minus 3a equals to minus 1. So a is equal to 1 by 3. So now you have minus a plus b minus 1 by 3 plus b is equal to minus 3. B is equal to minus 3 plus 1 by 3. You get the same answer. So equals 8 by 3. So our answer to the entire thing happens to be plus or minus 1 by 3 plus or minus 8 by 3 as your answer. Now let's do the seventh question. Now seventh question, you have y is equal to x minus a the whole square, x minus b, and x minus c. Okay, now they say that b is less than 0, which is less than a and less than c. Now we have to, the question is to sketch the graph. Okay, now to figure out the y coefficient, we have to multiply the coefficients of these terms, this and this. So but here you have a square and minus into minus plus bc. So a square bc, which is a positive value, which comes somewhere on the top. Somewhere on top. So now first value b is here, b is on the left side, so I'll mark this as b, and I'll mark this a here, and then we have c. So now it has to pass through this, touch here, touch this, and go through like this. Because b is a lesser value, the this a square bc will be a negative number, which is here, not up on this, because b is negative value. Okay, so this entire thing is down here. So the curve will pass through this, touch this, and go like this. This is your sketch. Now let's do the eighth one. Okay, find the exact values of k for which 2kx 2kx square plus k plus 1x plus 1 equal to 0 has equal roots. Equal roots meaning b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So now b is what? K plus 1 the whole square minus 4 into 2k into 1. This entire thing is equal to 0. So expand this, k square plus 2k plus 1 minus 8k. This entire thing is equal to 0. So you have k square minus 6k plus 1. Now this entire thing is equal to 0. B square minus 4 is. Now how do we get this? Now k is equal to minus b. Minus means minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. B is what? 6. So 36 minus 4 into 1 into 1. I think divide by 2 into 1, which is 2. So k is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 32 divided by 2. So 32 can be written as plus or minus 4 root 2. 16 into 2, which is 32. So 16 has a square root of 4. So now take out 2 common from this, so you'll be left with minus. So it is minus or minus plus, sorry. So plus 3 plus 2 root 2 whole thing multiplied by 2 divided by 2. So 2 can be cancelled out. So we're left with plus 3 plus or minus 2 root 2 is your answer. Next, ninth, set of values where k has no real roots. So you have 2x square plus kx plus 6 equals to 0 has no real roots. No real roots meaning b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Now b is k square minus 4 into 4 into 2 into 6 is less than 0. So k square minus 8, 8 times 6, 48 is less than 0. Now 48 can be written as square root of 48 whole square, or 4 root 3 whole square. This has to be less than 0. So this is k plus 4 root 3 and k minus 4 root 3, which has to be less than 0. Now if you go on the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere 5, 6, 7. So the 1 point comes here. The same way the other points come somewhere here. Now always start from the right side, positive, negative and positive. Now we are supposed to get a lesser value, so we have to consider the negative part. So the negative part is between 4 root 3 and minus 4 root 3. So the k value lies between negative 4 root 3 and positive 4 root 3. Next one. Find the range of values of k for which the quadratic function x square minus 2k plus 1 into x plus 5 has at least one real root. At least one real root meaning b square minus 4ac should be equal to or greater than 0. Fine. So you take this, b is minus 2k plus 1 minus 4 into a is 1 into 5 should be greater than equal to 0. So you have 4k square plus 4k plus 1 minus 20. So this entire thing has to be greater than 0. Again you apply the same way. So minus 4 plus or minus square root of